Wagwan.
Me there, just a chill.
You good?
Me there on the corner a bill.
Wagwan.
Yo, me there, me just a go and bill.
You good?
Yeah, man, up on the corner a chill.
Daddy. Say me meet a new girl and me feeling irie.
Irie. You see?
Boom bang.
You see?
Boom bang.
You see?
Boom bang.
Wagwan.
We there, we just a go and chill.
You good?
Yeah,
We there
man.
on the corner a bill.
A bill.
Yes, it.
Party.
My favorite Jamaican food is a patty and a cocoa bread. You just take a nice hot patty and you just slip it in between a warm buttery cocoa bread. Hey, there are many ways to eat the patty and the cocoa bread. You can eat the patty by itself and then you eat the cocoa bread afterwards. You can squeeze out the nice meat in the cocoa bread and eat it by itself. Nice. And you can even eat off the crust and then you leave the middle just for the cocoa bread alone. Many ways to eat a patty and a cocoa bread.
Breadfruit, me love me breadfruit. Breadfruit, me say me love me breadfruit. Ooh, breadfruit, me love me breadfruit. From the tree top to the root. Breadfruit, come here true Captain Bly. Go check your history book if you think I the lie. Breadfruit, green, sticky and round and it nice. Just like jam down. My breadfruit is versatile. Roast it, fry it, to bake it, to boil. And sometime when it's overripe, me just crush it up. And yam it with tribe cause breadfruit, we love me breadfruit. Breadfruit, me say we love me breadfruit. Oh, breadfruit, me love me breadfruit. From the tree top to the root.
Brush and peel.
Brush and fish. Brush and hockey them a top class dish. And me say breadfruit, me love me breadfruit. Breadfruit, me say we love me breadfruit. Breadfruit, me love me breadfruit. From the tree top to the root. Breadfruit. Yeah.
Bila.